On Tuesday, 4th October 2022, retired Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra was sworn in as the new Governor of Meghalaya after the tenure of Satya Pal Malik came to an end on the same day. It may be mentioned that Mishra is also the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Those present during the swearing-in ceremony included Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, P Wahlang, Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui, Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh, C&RD Minister Hamletson Dohling, MLA Saleng Sangma, the Deputy Chief Whip Pyniaid Sing Syiem, dignitaries from the government, members of the Army and Air Force, besides others. After the official ceremony, Mishra, who was speaking to newspersons, informed that he and others had participated in the Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, where the troops were able to defeat Pakistan. Further, Mishra appreciated the beauty of Meghalaya and its people and was highly impressed by the cleanliness of the place.
Long time back, in 1971 war, this was one Kamzor area. And then we participated in the war and defeated Pakistan. It's a wonderful place, wonderful people, so good, so clean. I'm impressed, and I thank you all. Every person from Shillong, every person from Meghalaya. Thank you very much.